Directrix's world famous salmon. Like and subscribe if you want. I don't know why you'd want to, but do it.
Beep 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 yeah. Social distancing.
On this episode of Batchin' It with Directrix, it's time to see how to make Directrix's world famous salmon and broccoli. So to make the salmon and broccoli, all you need is salmon, none of that stuff back there, broccoli, Tony's or whatever kind of seasoning you like. So first step is getting everything opened. Yes, wait. Yeah, oh yeah. Second step is putting these frozen broccoli florets on the plate. We gotta defrost it. Look how well this is working. And more famous. Tear these open more. Oh yeah, there we go. Yeah, there we go. Oh, okay, yeah, that was too much. Yeah. Then we pop it in the microwave for 3 minutes just to defrost. Now everybody ignores how dirty my microwave is, and then we take and not point at all the dirtiness of the microwave. The food out. Now, look at that. That's some nicely defrosted broccoli. So we also take this mystery ingredient that I will not reveal and pour it all over the ends of it. Very nice. Oh crap, that's too much. All right, good enough. And then we take the seasoning. Oh, rotate this the correct way with one hand, because I'm not used to holding the camera. Yeah. Yeah, oh yeah. Season that a little. That's all you use that for. And then, of course, you reach over here, grab you a piece of salmon. Yeah, oh yeah. It's good stuff. Just plop it on there. Yeah. Oh yeah. Doesn't that look delicious? And then after washing your hands so you can continue to operate your camera, we pop this in the old toaster oven. Again, ignoring how dirty it is. Make sure you use a plate that can handle this. And we go 390 for 22 minutes. And here, I'll record this in real time. Wow, it's done already. So now you just make sure you got this thing on your hand. So you pull it out. And now see, there's probably a lot of extra oil in there. I like to just kind of pour off the little extra oil and flip the salmon over, because you know you want to eat the meat and I don't like the skin personally. And some of you may be asking, why'd you cook it skin up? Well, that's because all the oil, all the fat is up right next to the skin, and when you cook it this way, the oils kind of drip down over it, kind of baste it, or rotisserie almost it, so it's nice and tender and oily. So after letting it cool for just a bit and flipping it over like so, it's nice and tender, super flaky. I like to eat it with the broccoli. And you may wonder why I burn the tips of the broccoli. It's because it's delicious. And yeah, good stuff. Directrix's world famous salmon. Like and subscribe if you want. I don't know why you'd want to, but do it.